No creature on the planet can have such a memory as this bird. This is a cedar bird. In autumn, she hides up to 30,000 nuts, distributing them in hundreds of forgotten places. But she doesn't forget. Not a single one. Her brain contains a neural map into which she writes the coordinates of her hiding places. In winter, she returns to them as accurately as if using GPS. A person would have long ago forgotten even about the existence of some hiding places. But for a cedar bird, memory is a survival weapon.